It does settle, mama. Oh, it does settle. It does settle, mama. Oh, it does settle. My people, it does set. Like it does shell. It does settle. Trap door cash one for his side. Oh, my people. Oh. Trap don catch one again, my people. This one na one man wey dey work for Nigeria embassy o. Una wan hear am, my people. Una wan hear this one. They say one day for the thief, every day for the thief, one day for the owner o. Una know say this Nigeria embassy, if you wan enter inside, you must drop your phone, you must drop many things so that make dem no make you no fit video dem, make you no fit do anything to them. Those say make you drop your phone. They go use life tire you, use you like say tomorrow no dey. They go use you, you know. I think e don read now. God don finally expose them. Na so God go take dey expose our enemy dem o. As God take expose this one so. God don finally expose this one. This one now, one woman tell am say he wan do passport. He say make the woman come o, make no worry. Make the woman come. Make the woman come. Make him do passport for am. No, he say he wan jogodo with this woman. This woman, and a married woman, he come begin dey toast the woman for phone. They tell the woman say make the woman come, no problem. Make the woman come, make they come do passport. As the woman read, the woman say no problem. And she you want jogodo? He say yes. He no know say the woman already plan with her husband. Now they come set him up. Now they come take cash am. My people low. Now they come take cash this mugre man for hotel. Now they take cash am. Now say na it good for am. Now it good for am because these people, they go use you if you want to go do passport. They go make sure say they use you, this man. So they go use you like the way the hotel people they do you go be like say you not be Nigeria person. It go be like say you not be Nigeria person. No, this one just the happen so, my people. No, he just the happen so. Nothing way Musa no go see forget. Oh, Musa don't see, don't tire. Musa don't see, don't tire, my people. Now wow, now what for our Africa people, no, now what for them. Now wow, they go want jogodo with married woman for that matter. You not get wife was you this old man. Person go do unto your own wife, Mr. Kule. Person go do unto your own wife. When you want go jogodo, but not that person wife. My people, lo. This one not tire una. This one so he not tire una. That day, Mama Gladys talk put. They say they want carry her go court because she talk for Nigeria embassy. She be it don't read now. It don't read now. How una see una self now? How una the reason una self? You can imagine you want go do passport. These people go use you. You go pay extra money. You go pay. No. You go bribe before you reach your turn. You go bribe. You must make sure say you drop something for them. These people can never do something for you for free. They can never. If you want enter, so you go drop your phone so that may you not feel video them. May you don't feel record them because of what they do. Because even when you go tell them for Berekete family, you go report where evidence you don't get. That be the problem. No evidence. What you want a report? You know they. That make they do this thing what they do because they believe say they don't feel cash they read down dead. They don't feel you not go feel prove them because they always keep a phone. On they see matter now. This one and big evidence now. This video now don't go viral. You see as God take expose this Mr. Kule, this mugre man. You see the way God take expose him. Una see the way God take expose him, my people. Now wow, now what for why I wrote nothing way Musa no go see forget to, nothing way Musa no go see forget to, my people. Now so these people be. So you want go jogodo with married woman, not be even young as a married woman, like seriously. You just say now all married women, I don't know they are safe. This man, you just say now all married women, I don't know they are safe. wey be say una no dey shame me. Shame me no dey una. Una think say na all married woman na im no get shame. Na im make you wan do this one wey you wan do, na God come expose you. God come tell you say no, you cannot do this to my children. You cannot do this man. Your own dey your body yakbata. Your own dey your body. Which kind man be this one? This kind of man I never see him. Oh, this kind of man I never see. I never see this kind man, oh my people. Oh, I never see this kind man. Which kind man be this one? Want go jogodo person wife? He want go jogodo person wife, oh my people. He want go jogodo person wife. Now God cash am. And they say, hey, you go nowhere. You're on today. You don't be met today. You dey see this man? How you reason yourself now? You this man? How you reason yourself now? How you reason yourself? Oh, great man. Want go jogodo person wife? He want go jogodo person wife. Oh, how you reason yourself? How you reason yourself now? This one just dey happen so my people. Oh, for Nigeria embassy. Oh, now this one dey happen so for Berlin, the Germany here. That this one for dey happen so my people. Oh. God don't expose this man. I beg who see this video, help me share and make it go viral. Make this video go viral. This man now, Mr. Kule, now they rain now, now they on board now. Because this Nigeria embassy, we don't look for what we want to trap the sins. We don't look for what I want to catch the red-handed. Now God can't expose them now for this one. God expose them, oh my people. Oh, if you want to see the main video when Mona call my Facebook page, oh, he dey my page there, oh, una go see everything, oh, my people, oh. Now wow for why ya rodo. Now wow. Now so God go to the expose all of them one by one. He want go jogodo person wife. Person wife. That is not only pastors. Now they do this one. No. I not even know say our Nigerian embassy they don't graduate to jogodo person wife. Oh, my people. Oh, this one pass Joromio. This one pass Joromio. Anything with don't pass Joromio, they go samba. Now this man be so God don't expose them. Now say if I not tell my people waiting again. If I not tell my ogbonge people waiting again. Now say man I can't tell you now the matter where they grant. Now be this one so the one way they on board now my people. My people, what you not think about this video? You can leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified if you have subscribed here before. Thank you and God bless you.